Hey guys, in this video I will show you all pie spicy recipes in Grow a Garden. So without further ado, let's get started. So today we'll do a normal pie that contain one sugar apple, pumpkin, giant pine cone, apple, and corn. As you can see here, also there's legendary pies, 4 options, mythical, 3 options, divine, 5 options, and prismatic, 2 options. So if you want to get all these recipes, I will leave this website in the description below so you can easily check out. And now let's make a pie. So let's go near to the pot, open inventory, and then first put sugar apple. Then we need to put one pumpkin. Then we need to put a giant pine cone. Then we need to put one apple. And then one corn. Right? After you put all the ingredients, you just need to press cook and wait. In this case, we need to wait for 6 minutes. And when the time have passed, you can get your basically item there. So that's pretty much it.